Hey, what's going on? My name is Mick, and I'm posting my day trading journey right here on YouTube with complete transparency and honesty. And today I made the exact same mistake that I made yesterday by trading against the trend, and luckily today it worked out, and I want to show you how that all went down. So the trade that I took ended up being a simple short against an uptrend today, which was kind of rough. Ended up coming out with $187. Looking back, I should not have taken the trade. I don't know really what I was thinking. I think I was trying to anticipate a turnaround and reaching a specific level that just, wasn't really there. I basically tried to short the level at 4455, 57. This actually coincided with a previous high that we had, I want to say back in like August. And it looked like a pretty important level, since we haven't been upwards of 4,400 since about last August anyways. So I was looking at this level right here as pretty heavy resistance. Didn't see a retest of that. I kind of waited till we got to this consolidation area right here, and decided once we kind of had a couple of upper wicks that I was going to take it short. I held this one really long. I'm not entirely sure. I need to stick with these scalps at least for now in the evaluation of my or during the evaluation of my funded accounts. Scalping is just much easier, especially with that trailing drawdown. So this was a little bit unusual, at least for a majority of the time where I felt like I was holding a losing trade, especially when I got up here. It was really pushing my stop loss. I had my stop at like 44.58, so I almost got stopped out up here, and ended up just getting out down here when I got into profit. And I just said, I'm not going to continue to fight the trend like I did yesterday. But that was really the only trade I took today. The other trade that I was a little hesitant about was earlier in the day. I didn't end up taking the trade, but I think everything would have worked out for me really well. I was charting a lot of my fair value gaps on the 15-minute time frame, and around 10:40, we had broken above this level. I had a little bit of consolidation at yesterday's high of day at 44.40. Had a couple of tests, didn't see anything happen, and then after this second test of that level of yesterday's high of day, we came back down. We traded into that 15-minute fair value gap, and then we basically took off. We basically hit that fair value gap to the like 1 or 2 ticks perfectly. That would have been a perfect entry for me. I felt like, with the strength of the open, off of the open, that kind of strength, and really sellers nowhere to be found. I figured that pullback into at least this fair value gap would have been perfect. Now, I did have this fair value gap set up, but considering the relative strength of the open, I didn't think that a pullback into this one was going to be possible unless we were going to have some sort of reversal. So I saw this hit right here, and I did not take long. In hindsight, absolutely should have, but it's just one of those things where you look back and see all the things and how they could have played out, but that's not the game we're in. So wanted to talk to you about the trade that I took today. I did luck out because I was trading against the trend, and then just a couple of trade ideas that maybe I can be better on the execution side of things for next time. But that's all I have for you today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.